Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be sharing 3 of my favorite and most effective revision methods. If you guys like this video at any point, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and let's jump right into the tips. First of all, I find it really helpful to begin by making all of my notes, and this includes compiling my textbook, notebook, and online notes. This may be time-consuming, but having all the information concise and in one place can be really helpful for when you begin studying. Plus, it kind of acts like a step 1 for your revision session. Alright, my first favorite method is using a whiteboard, and I call this the teach yourself method. It's one of the most helpful active learning methods, and it's one of my favorites. You can use your iPad, a piece of paper, or even a whiteboard like me to help you explain the concepts to yourself. And if you can explain them thoroughly without looking at your notes, then you've officially learned them. Another way I like revising is using mind maps. It's a helpful way to create concise notes and review all the topics right before your exam. I usually make mind maps for the sciences, and I actually have a whole video on my mind mapping technique, so you can check out the link in the description box and in the top right corner. Alright, next I like using flashcards. I know everyone says to use flashcards, but I really do enjoy using them to both revise and study the notes. When I go back and test myself with the flashcards, I like to make 2 piles. The first one are all the cards that I know perfectly, and the second one are the cards that I kind of forgot. I'll then revise the second pile, shuffle the cards together, and then test myself again until eventually the second pile is empty. And finally, if you're taking IGCSEs or A-levels, past papers are one of the best ways to review what you've learned and to test your knowledge. You can always ask a friend or teacher when you stumble across a challenging question. And there are a lot of websites that give you questions by topics and explanations for them. I'll link a few in the description box down below. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave me a comment below if you guys have any video requests. And as usual, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!